Hey guys, hope everyone is well. Welcome to our another cooking vlog. In this vlog, we are going to prepare a super tasty and super delicious and as well as super healthy dish. It is nothing but grilled fish, salmon fish with grilled vegetables. So let's see how I have cooked. Here this is just I'm not a professional chef, right? I'm just a cooking lover. So here I have shown you how I have cooked. If there is any mistake you have noticed, then obviously you do not bother to point out in the comment box. So let's see how I have cooked. I have taken 2 large basha fillet. I have washed them. Now at first what I am going to do, first I will marinate them. And yes, of course, for the marination, nothing can compete with lemon. The squeeze of lemon, right? The touch of lemon, it gives a juiciness to the marination as well as it makes it soft. I will use 2 large lemon, and if you want a bit tanginess, you can add also white vinegar as well. But here I am not using white vinegar because I will use apple cider vinegar towards the last. So first step of marination is using lemon. Now among the other spices I have used half tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of garam masala powder. I have prepared this garam masala at home. Half tablespoon of red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. I'll use half tablespoon of, almost quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, and as well as I will use turmeric powder. Now after adding the salt, our first duty will be to mix all the spices together so that it gives a nice layer and texture of spices when we grill the fish. I have used here very less spices, and here I am also adding some extra virgin avocado oil for marination. It will add a extra bit of softness, but it is quite optional. And you can also use any oil of your choice. And if you want a bit much more softness, then you can add oil. Otherwise, you can skip the oil also. Marinate the spices on both the sides of the fishes well, so that the spices coated the fishes very well. For a protein, mineral and vitamin rich meal, I have taken some vegetables also which I will grill along with the fish. Among the vegetables I have used here broccoli, cauliflower and beans. You can also use any of vegetables of your choice. And I will marinate the vegetables with necessary spices, cumin powder, roasted cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, chaat masala powder and salt. And here I want to correct one thing, that here I am using a teaspoon. I think this is teaspoon, which I have told as tablespoon. This is teaspoon, and I have used ginger garlic paste for the marination of fish also, which I forgot to mention. So I will mix all the vegetables well so that marination get stuck to the vegetables. And here I have used 1 lemon and a little bit of white vinegar. For grilling, I have heated the grill. I have used here extra virgin avocado oil. You can use oil of your choice. So pour the oil, let it be heated and spread it in this way. So once the oil gets enough heat, then I have added the fish basha fillet. Then I will add the vegetables also, marinated vegetables also gradually. Very nice. There is an adequate, extra, you can say extra happiness in grilling. Though grilling is not basically an Indian cooking method, but sometimes grilling food in this way provides extra happiness, as well as a bit of some kind of extra taste. It's up to some extent healthy also if you use iron grilling pan, because it adds iron and it needs very less oil. Initially it uses oil, but when you use the grill several times here frequently, it will be almost non-stick and it will use very less oil. So our grilled fish and vegetables are getting ready. Towards the end part, we will add some smoked paprika, oregano and thyme for extra flavor.